In today's video, I will walk you through how to invite friends to code live in Replit. Start by opening the specific Replit project that you want to share with other people. Once you are inside the workspace, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You will see a blue invite button. Click that button to open the invitation menu. A pop-up window will appear with two different ways to invite collaborators into your workspace. You can either invite someone directly by using their Replit username or registered email address, or you can create a join link that you can share with others. If you want to invite a specific person, use the search box in the pop-up window. Type your friend's Replit username or their registered email address into the search field. As you type, matching results will appear. Select the correct person from the list. Then click Send. After you send the invitation, they will receive a notification inside Replit as well as an email invitation to join your workspace. If you would rather invite multiple people or simply share access more quickly, use the Join Link option instead. Inside the same pop-up window, find the Join Link section. Click Copy Link to copy the private link to your clipboard. Once the link has been copied, you can send it to the people you want to collaborate with using your preferred messaging platform. Anyone who receives the link and clicks it can join your editing session directly. After your collaborators have been invited, they will have edit access by default. This means they can type and edit code, create files, and use the green Run button while working in the shared project with you. If you need to change someone's access later or remove them from the project, open the Invite menu again by clicking the blue Invite button in the upper right-hand corner of the workspace. Scroll to the list of active collaborators near the bottom of the window. Find the person whose access you want to manage, then click the drop-down menu next to their name. From there, you can change their access level or remove them from the project completely. While you're coding together, you can also use the Follow Your Friend feature. To do this, look toward the top right of the editor, where the collaborator profile avatars are displayed. Click on your friend's profile avatar, and your screen will automatically move to the file they are currently working in. As they continue editing, your view will follow their cursor in real time, so you can see exactly where they are making changes. That's all there is to inviting friends to code live in Replit. By using either direct invitations or a join link, managing collaborator access when needed, and using the built-in collaboration features, you can work together in the same project in real time. Thank you for watching.